Hello guys, it's Sunday. Relaxing at home, staying. I'm here in Danau City, my brother's house. When I'm at home, I will not wear my false teeth. Only if I'm going out, I will wear my false teeth. Because if I wear my false teeth, it's uneasy for me to eat. Yeah, that's why uneasy to eat if I'm wearing my false teeth. So if I'm at home, no need to wear false teeth, only if I'm going out. Because if I'm going out, I cannot smile. I'm ashamed. No false teeth. How are you guys? Hope everything's okay. Everything's fine. All of us. God bless us all. Have a blessed Sunday. Wala na. Kung may anhin tayo pa, wala na. Huswa ang katahom. O girls na, mahuswa na ang katahom. Those were the days. I just imagine only those were the days during our high school days, college days. We are famous kunuhay. I heard lots of people admiring, but never mind. I'm just thankful to God I reached this my age now. Bye guys. Enjoy your day.